what we have here is cabbage, the 2 cabbage that we're growing in this little pot here, and we think it's time to harvest because it's starting to turn yellow, and we don't want it to bolt like the other cabbage over there that's starting to bolt. It's bolting?
Yep, look.
All right, let's do it. Let's see.
Oh, can you see it?
I presume we get that cabbage.
With this big one here?
No, that one.
Oh, that one? We'll get that too. But right now, we're doing this one.
Some ladybugs in there?
There's ladybugs in there. Yeah. Hiding, protecting.
Here. Eating the little aphids off.
Just need a little carefulness with the bug.
Oh. Oh.
And so I guess we're going to grab all of its leaves.
And pull. All right.
Whoa.
Let's check out the roots. Looks good. Like I said, this is our first time doing cabbage, so I'm not complaining, right?
Right.
More ladybugs.
Where?
Up
Coming
here.
out. Oh, I see one right here. Oh, there.
They're everywhere. There's one right there.
More?
One right there. This isn't cabbage at all. It's a ladybug nest.
Come on, get out of here.
Come on now.
Get out of here, lady guy.
Ladybug. It's called that. It's a ladybug.
All right, let's hose it down. We're gonna cut that off anyway.
Here we are.
I'm gonna pull that leaf right there.
You see what?
Just pull that leaf. Yeah, a couple of them you could probably just pull and
Yeah.
let mulch. Just,
Yeah.
spider webs and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
I was gonna say you're gonna clean it off.
All right, looks good.
Beautiful.
All right.
You smell it?
Mm.
Smells so cabbagey.
Oh yeah. It smells like radishes.
Honestly, it does. I love that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no! Get out of here,
Ants.
little ant friend. You can have the other ones.
Look.
Bunch of ants.
Yep.
Oh no!
That's all right. That's why we're gonna rinse all this stuff off. That's why we did it outside and not inside.
Yep.
What you doing, girl?
I want the top soil. I want the soil.
Get down.
And this. This goes. This back there.
So pretty. You want to keep this? Where it's bolting?
Mm-hmm.
It'd be cool if we could.
Yeah, maybe you can replant it. I don't know what you can do with it, but maybe you can.
Alright. We'll try.
Maybe to give this another rinse.
Yeah.
What's wrong with little ants, huh? We can eat them.
And we're not going to eat them.
We're going to eat them.
We're not going to eat them.
We're going to eat them.
Can I put more water in here? Now we're washing it and we're saving it from the ants. You'll notice there's ants all over it.
Like this.
Mm-hmm. So we want to get all the ants. So we can't just pick it up and put it in there. We have to make sure all the ants are off. So they're climbing everywhere.
Okay, so now I can put this in here.
So you would think that's not an ant. Those are ants hiding.
But you don't want to eat this detergent, do you?
What?
Yeah, you'll just rinse it back off.
This is Ant City right here.
Oh yeah, get them out of there. Let's wash them off. And that's pretty much it. That's how we harvest our Chinese cabbage. And we have another one here, and 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 another one here. But this is our first. Well, this is actually our third harvest. Our first harvest was we had strawberry O2, and we also had radishes. And so it's already, today's June 2nd, and we're already pulling things out of this garden. A lot better than last year, right? And as always, say it with me.
Peace from the garden of Feodora.
Goodness. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the garden of Feodora.